In this video, I will show you how to download Minecraft for free on your PC or laptop. First, open your browser and search for Minecraft. Then, click on the first result to open the official Minecraft website. Once you're on the home page, click on Games from the top menu. Then, look for Try Minecraft Free and click on it. On the next page, scroll down to the bottom and click Download Now. Then, click on Start Free Trial. You'll be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. Sign in with your account, and the Minecraft launcher will begin downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, open the setup file and click Install. Wait for the installation to finish. After the launcher is installed, sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. Then, click on Play Demo to start playing Minecraft for free. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel